guys, I'm back. Today we're gonna make side dishes. The first one is tzatziki sauce. It's the easiest thing to do and easy to learn. Okay, we're gonna start with 5 or 6 cloves of garlic, 1 cucumber and half a kilo of yogurt. Okay, we're gonna start now. I'm gonna start to chop the garlic first, okay? After I clean the garlic, we're gonna shred it. Alright, now we're gonna put some salt in there, 1 teaspoon. Then we're gonna melt the garlic with the salt. We're gonna mix it together. Gonna slice the cucumber, and now we're gonna cut the cucumber on the half, so you take the seeds out. And then we're gonna shred the cucumber. And now we're gonna strain the cucumber. It's a lot of water in there, so we're gonna start squeeze it in our heads. And now we're gonna put the yogurt in there. All right. This is 1 kilo yogurt. We're gonna use the half. This is the Greek yogurt, the Fire. You can use any yogurt, Greek one, Greek style, because it's thick. Okay, we're gonna put half a kilo. And then we're gonna mix it all together. Now we're gonna use 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of oil. And then I'm gonna sprinkle some fresh dill in there, alright? And now I'm going to garnish the dish. That was the recipe for today. Join us for next time. Subscribe please. Bye bye now.